Your favorite superheroes from DC Comics swoop into White Post Farms. Meet Batman the Dark Knight in person August 23rd through the 26th. Also meet Catwoman this Thursday through Sunday only. While you're here, cool off in our Bouncer Splash Zone, free with your paid admission. Feed the farm animals and the birds in our incredible bird aviary, and so much more. This Thursday through Sunday, meet Catwoman and Batman the Dark Knight. Don't miss it. For coupons to the farm, visit whitepostfarms.com.